As the first step of approaching a girl, as you can see my friend over there, right over there in a blue shirt, he has approached this girl. At first he was making excuses whether the girl would be single or not. But how would you know that if the girl is single or if the girl is waiting for someone, or maybe the girl is just getting bored? You never know unless you try, right? So that's what, and just look how he is holding the conversation. He has maintained a good composure of his body as well, and I believe now he's going for the number. So guys, I'm trying to give you a slight of a background because I have taught him the entire game, and I think he is gonna actually get the number as well. That's amazing. That's amazing. He got the number in the court. And he's an extremely shy guy, guys, so for him to get a number, that's really nice. Confidence, they go, confidence.
Yeah,
so my friend is going to break down the approach, guys.
Yeah, so I saw her from across the street. I thought she looked really cute, so I went and approached her. So in the beginning, she was listening to something. She had her earphones on, and she looked at me and she turned her face away. So, and her body language was very closed off. So everything in my head was telling me that I should not approach, but I just kept pushing. I asked her in sign language to turn off the earphone, and I said, I saw you from over there and I think you look really adorable. Then she had a big smile on her face.
That's a good line, huh? I have seen you from, far away, and you look really adorable. That's a new line, I would say.
She had a very big smile on her face, which kind of boosted my confidence a bit.
Yeah.
I told her, like, you don't look like you're from here. She said, no, I've been living here since the past 8 years. Amazing. So then she asked about me, where are you from and how long? I told me I'm from Bihar and I'm here from the past 2 years. And then, like,
what does she do?
There was not a time. Her cab already came. By that time. Then her cab already came. Then I said, like, she told, like, my cab has come.
And I saw you taking the phone number. Did you get the phone number?
Yes.
Amazing. That was an amazing close, guys.
Yeah, even when the cab came, I asked her, like, let me get your number. She didn't say anything. I just handed her my phone. Then she put her number. And then she went to the cab.
Yeah, and we also got to see. Guys, comment down below, how did you like the approach? My friend over here, he is very new to the game. It was his first successful single approach, and it went amazing.
Yeah.
So go ahead, face your fears. Maybe the approach might not be so difficult after all. What do you say?
Yeah. You never know. You miss all the shots you don't take.
Correct. Correct. Well said, bro. Well said.